freaking kidding me? Alright, so we got an issue here. As you could see, the bolt that holds on the shock mount, if you will, is hitting this webbing unit right here. And I still have, you know, a good 1/4 of an inch to go here, and that's buttoned up. So I went to the hardware store, and I got a different bolt head, which got rid of half the length of the other head, but the only way around it is to do that plus a few spacers. So of course didn't have those spacers, so I have to go back to the store and buy a crap load of spacers so I can put this on properly. But that's what we're going to do today. All right, well, we got everything plugged in nicely. You can see there's a nice little gap right there. Got the spacers. This I haven't torqued all the way on because I'm not 100% sure about this spacer. There's a spacer here where this goes. This one's on the outside. I think this is correct, but these are, I'm calling them crush nuts. I don't know what they're officially called, but use once only. So I'm leaving this until we actually have this thing on the lift and whether I need to redo this before I lock the engine in. Also, I ordered my transmission, and that should be coming in sometime soon. So I'm kind of waiting for all this stuff to kind of come in, order my engine harness, and you know, get everything wired up. I'm hoping when I go to put this in that I don't have to take this intake off to get this engine in, but this thing's a little bit of bear with a mid-rise and a high intake, so we'll see how it goes. But that's it for now. Have a great day.